it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize this old braid out and turn it into a nice moisturized sleek low bun. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Alright guys, so first I'm starting off spritzing this whole section of hair with water, and then I'm going to split this section of hair in half, and I'm going to spritz the smaller section with water. And next, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle this section of my hair. I'm now going in with my Carol's Daughter hair milk, and I'm going to take a nice amount and apply that throughout this section. And then I'm going to be taking my Carol's Daughter buttercream, and I'm going to take a decent amount of that as well and apply that throughout my hair. And then I'm just going to comb it out again to make sure it's fully detangled. And I'm going to apply some of my Kurlee Belle hair oil. And then I'm just going to lightly twist this section of my hair just to get it out the way. And now I'm going to do the same steps for the rest of my hair. Come through the fire, and I've been through the flood. I've been broken into pieces, seen lightning flashing from above. But through it all, I remember that He loves me and He cares. And He'll never put more on me. Okay guys, so I'm finished moisturizing all of my hair, and I'm just going to take out these twists and kind of separate my hair before I style it. Alright guys, so in order to slick down my hair, I'm going to be using my Xtreme Gel, and right now you just see me smoothing down my edges, and then I'm going to apply more gel to the top of my hair, and then I'm going to take my hard bristle brush to brush my hair back into a low bun. So now that my hair is in a ponytail, I'm going to comb out each section of my hair to make sure that it's detangled fully, and then I'm going to split my hair in half and put it into 2 large twists, and then I'm going to wrap the twists around into a bun. So my ear and my neck always get red whenever I brush my hair. I hate that, but just ignore it. So I'm putting this cute scrunchie over my bun to give it like, you know, a style. It's cute. It matches my shirt. So now I'm just applying more Xtreme Gel to make sure that my hair is really smooth and sleek. And you guys, this is the final look. I think it's really cute. You can leave your hair like this for a few days until you wash it and your hair is nice and moisturized and protected. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.